Everybody talks about the importance of work and rest balance, and we prepared this video for truck drivers who want to improve productivity at work by organizing their rest time. Enjoy! Speaking about the trucking industry, we bet you already know that it's not easy to work in it, as market is closely connected to unpredictable changes. It's so for both the owners of trucking businesses and truck drivers. This industry is fully about working hard. There's also a saying, hard work pays off, and it perfectly suits the field of logistics. Thus, it's utterly important to keep a so-called work and life balance or work and rest balance. That's the moment to have smoothly approached our main topic. Today we're discussing the ways truckers can rest while staying on the road and sharing some useful tips to organize it. Truck driver's career is not only about high salaries and excitement during the road trips. It also includes some serious cons that you should be ready for. Lack of sleep, less time spent with family, strict deadlines, and general fatigue at the end of the working day, especially if you're driving alone, without a buddy by your side. Still, if you manage to cope with constant rest by implementing enough rest time, road trips will be much more pleasant for you. It's high time to find out what tips we prepared for you. Follow them all to keep your work and rest balance better. Number 1. Know the FMCSA requirements. The hours of service rules are specially created for truckers to have enough rest time and keep the balance between driving and recreation. This is a must to follow as it has a direct impact both on your safety and productivity. Here on the screen you can see the most important of them. 11 hours driving limit. May drive a maximum of 11 hours after 10 consecutive hours of duty. 14-hour limit. May not drive beyond the 14th consecutive hour after coming on duty, following 10 consecutive hours off duty. Off-duty time does not extend the 14-hour period. 30-minute driving break. Drivers must take a 30 minutes break when they have driven for a period of 8 cumulative hours without at least a 30 minutes interruption. The break may be satisfied by any non-driving period of 30 consecutive minutes. Example, on-duty non-driving, off-duty, sleeper berth, or any combination of these taken consecutively. 60-70-hour limit. May not drive after 60 or 70 hours on duty in 7 or 8 consecutive days. A driver may restart a 7 or 8 consecutive day period after taking 34 or more consecutive hours off duty. Sleeper burst provision. Drivers may split the required 10 hours of duty period as long as one off-duty period, whether in or out of the sleeper berth, is at least 2 hours long and the other involves at least 7 consecutive hours spent in the sleeping berth. All sleeper berth pairings must add up to at least 10 hours. When used together, neither time periods counts against the maximum 14-hour driving window. Number 2. Explore all the truck stops on your way. A good truck stop is like an oasis in the desert. It allows you to spend your rest time in most comfortable conditions. You can take a shower, eat and sleep well, check your truck, refill the tank, and buy any products you lack. Besides, a truck stop you can make new acquaintances, find out what's going on in your further way, and just keep staying socially active. Number 3. Establish and maintain good relations with your colleagues. Having good relations with your colleagues is a key moment on your way to success within the company. Moreover, it positively influences your feelings at work, so you should always keep in touch with those who you're working with, especially when it comes to dispatchers, whose duty is to help you during your road trips. The better the relations are, the better the productivity you have. Number 4. Prepare for your road trips beforehand. It's essential for truck drivers to concentrate fully on the road. You shouldn't have anything that can easily distract you. That's why we recommend you prepare a truck in advance. Think over the amenities you should have with you, come up with a decent route plan with the help of a dispatcher, and of course have a good rest before each trip. Number 5. Stick to a healthy diet. In the beginning it can be quite difficult, but you will thank yourself later. Sticking to a healthy diet is a good habit for those who are planning to work as a truck driver for at least more than a month. You should understand that your health is literally everything relating to such a tedious job, and we assure you that health problems will stop you from earning much. So try to keep a healthy lifestyle during work trips too. Number 6. Use the newest technologies. With each year, technology is playing more and more important role in our day-to-day life. They help us everywhere, including organizing our rest time. And if we're speaking about the trucking industry, we even cannot avoid the implementation of them. Then why not help yourself as much as possible and use the latest technologies to facilitate work? Do it! And now we're going to make an offer you can't refuse. Orlando Xpress, one of the most reliable and driver-oriented trucking companies in the USA, is looking for new company drivers. Just look at what the benefits you will get with us. Weekly payment without delays. huge bonus incentives. We're ready to pay 70 cents per mile for solo and 90 cents per mile per team. Unlimited cash referral program, newer trucks and trailers. Feel free to reach us out via the website or Instagram profile. Was this video helpful for you? Then put a like, leave a comment below and share the video with your friends. If you want to find out more about us, visit our website and follow our Instagram. And that was Orlando Xpress. Thanks for watching us until the next episodes. By the way, you can suggest a topic that interests you in the comments. Bye!